家電製品など何でも回収いたします。壊れていても構いません。また、ゴミの片付け、お引っ越しなど、すべてのことに対応いたします。
Hey, maybe I need to explain this sound of Japan a little bit. This is a garbage truck that collects heavy stuff like old fridge, old computer, old air conditioning units. These kind of things you need to pay to have them removed in Japan. That's why some people don't do that and dump them in nature. That's one of the bad sides of Japan. Oh well. Oh, what's behind me? Tonight is my neighborhood's Matsuri, like little yearly party, neighborhood party. I may film it and we'll see. Yeah, just see on my main channel, subscribe and etc. See you.